Okay, today I'm going to teach you how using the e-stamp duty to do the stamping. First, log into your MyTax using your ID and password. Then login, submit, password, login. Then select the top right corner e-hard sales duty stamp. Then select the first e-stamp duty. Okay, then you can either using your individual role or using the agent company, using either company role to log in the e-stamp duty system. For the new stamping, you need to click on the borang permohonan. Now you can select the agreement you need stamping. Okay, for the employment contract, you need to select on the penirtaman which is on the last selection on the part of the section A. Okay, once you already complete these sections, click on seterusnya. Seterusnya means continue. Then you can continue fill in the informations on the maklumat bahagian A, bahagian B, lampiran and the pengangkutan. For this one, you just type employment contract, then the selection will automatically come out. Okay, firstly, after you complete the maklumat you need to click on the simpan maklumat first in order for the number of adjudications come out. Then later on, you only continue the bahagian A. And in the bahagian A, you need to fill in the pihak pertama, means the first party informations, and the pihak kedua, means second party on the agreement. Okay, once you finish out the first both party informations fill in, then you click on the bahagian B to fill in the informations in the contract agreements. Okay, at the perkecualian parts is the exemptions. If the employment contract is dated before year 2025, then you need to select on the line. Later on, there's a column. You need to type on subsection 80 bracket 1A acta stamp 1949 for the exemptions of the stamp duty, so that you no need to pay for the 10 ringgit stamp duty. Okay, the next step is the lampiran. Lampiran means the attachment. So at this part, you need to upload the employment contract to the system for them to review. Okay, the last part is pengakuan. Pengakuan means declaration. So you need to click on that on all the information and tick to declare that all the information sent is correct. Okay, now is a summary to show that all the information. Before click on the hantar permohonan, check all the information correct. Once correct, just click on the hantar permohonan, means send. the submission, your application of stamp duty. Okay, once you do the submission finish, then the next step is needed to do by an online payment to complete the stamping. Thanks.